morning everyone. Today I am going to start 12th Commerce, the unit number 1, Management Process. Your chapter is, this unit is having 3 chapters, it's very important. The first chapter, Principles of Management, Principles of Management. Second chapter, Functions of Management. Third chapter, Management by Objectives. Management by Objectives, or Management by Exception. Management by Exception. Okay, the unit number 1. The unit number 1 is Management Process. The chapter is Principles of Management. Chapter 2 is Functions of Management. Chapter 3 is Management by Objectives and Management by Exception. Okay. What is management? Management is a class or group of people, human beings from the very beginning have engaged themselves in one activity or which other have provided them better way of living. An individual alone cannot perform well. So the human beings have joined together to form a group and complete the task. Every organization, every small scale or large scale organization have to control, have to allocate some resource, take some important decisions, and also they have to attain the goal. That is very important in management. So, for a simple example, I want to do everything, but I am not able to do nothing. I want to complete all the works, but I can't able to even anything. So now the particular person is having some management. Management is nothing but, I already told, some direction, some planning, some staffing, some controlling. Okay, this is very important thing in the management. How to manage in particular situation, how to handle the particular situation, how to take the particular decisions. Okay, very important thing in the management. Having 3 chapters, Principles of Management. Okay, so the Principles of Management, here this chapter is having 5 contents. One is Concept of Management, the second one is Definitions of Management, third one is Management versus Administration, then fourth one is Principles of Traditional Concept, Principles of Modern Concept. These are the important contents in the Principles of Management. What are the functions of management? The functions of management is having is nothing but planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. It's a very important thing in the functions of management. It has divided to, one is main function, another one is subsidiary function. The third one, management by objectives and management by exception. What are management objectives? Management objectives and management by exception. What are management objectives? The particular manager or particular person, particular employee have to complete or have to attain the goal. That is called management objectives. Management exception means they have to handle critical problem. critical decision making. They have to take critical decision making. This is a very important thing in the management by exception. I am going to start concept of management. Okay. I already told human beings is some have a lot of knowledge. Okay. So here management is related to the human beings. Okay, here management here human beings are small or big group. Okay, small or big group. Small or big group. Okay, have a lot of knowledge in particular area. Okay, lot of knowledge about except knowledge in particular area. Okay, so here the concept of management is divided into traditional concept and modern concept. Traditional concept and modern concept. Traditional and modern concept. Traditional concept nothing but is act of doing anything getting done through some other people. You have to allocate some work. I want to give some direct to the particular persons. I have to give some responsibility to other persons. That is called a traditional concept. Okay, so he has to complete the work. He want to complete the work. Okay, so this is the first traditional concept. What is modern concept? The modern concept is having three. One is this concept is divided into three. One is process. Another one is efficiency and effectiveness. The process already told. This process is having staffing, the directing, controlling. These are the important concept in the process. What is efficiency? The person is completing the work with small resource, with single resource. Okay, he has to invert some small input in particular material. They have to take large, they have to more huge output. Then only they have to attain the goal. Okay, so efficiency means they have to, he has to complete the work. He is completing the work with single resource. The particular company is having small resource, so the production manager have a lot of knowledge in particular area. Okay, particular area. The production, for example, marketing management, production management, sales management, human resource management. So every management areas having lot of knowledge. Human resource means the small, having particular company has a small 50 laborers or 100 laborers. So these laborers have to utilize in particular area. Marketing means have to promote the product, he has to promote the product and have to attain the goal and give the proper advertisement, proper channel promoting the product. Then this is called as efficiency. Have lot of knowledge. Okay. Next one, effectiveness. Effectiveness means he is completing the task within the stipulated time. When the proprietor or owner gives some assign to the production manager within 1 year, he has to complete within 6 months or 7 months. That is called an effectiveness with good quality. That is the very important thing in the effectiveness. So these are the important concept in the management: traditional concept, modern concept. So the first one, modern concept is having three way. One is process, efficiency, effectiveness. Efficiency means he is completing the work with single resource. small inputs and it will give huge output. Efficient means he is completing work within the stipulated time, within the allotted time. That is called as modern. In your book or in your syllabus, these are the important concept in your area. Okay, body of knowledge, management tools, separate discipline, specialization, code of conduct, professional association. Okay, so body of knowledge. The body of knowledge is related to one of the best passport to enter. Best passport to enter is the best passport to enter in your world employment or national employment, and also have to invest in world level. Foreign investment, that is a foreign investment. The particular person is having a lot of knowledge in particular area or marketing area or sales area. So this is one of the best way of enter into a particular management field. Okay, so then only they have to attain the goal and grasping the investment, then grasping and attract the customer and attract the suppliers, then attract the other investors. Okay, so this is a very important thing in the body of knowledge. This is a very important thing. Body of knowledge, having one person is having that manager is having lot of knowledge except expert field in that particular area. Okay, so he have to handle the problem, he have to handle the hazardous situation, hazardous problem, then difficult labors, then difficult employees, okay, difficult investors, difficult owners. Okay, so he is having only lot of knowledge. Okay, then only they have to attain or reach the goal. Okay, so next one, management tools. The management tools, these tools have been developed: econometrics, data processing, psychology, business law. So this manager has to know about business law, then econometrics. Business law means how to face the legal problem, how to be legal producing, how to handle the legal processor. Okay, so then only they have to face the consequences. Okay, so psychology, human psychology. He must know about human psychology, labor psychology, customer psychology. Okay, so then investor psychology. Then only grasping the investment. Okay, very important thing. Okay, so that is management tools. Econometrics, the economics, how to handle current economic situation, how to handle current monetary policies, how to observe other investors, how to invest foreign. Okay, how to attract the customer. Okay, so this is the management tools. Okay, econometrics. What are the important statistics tools applied in economics, and statistics methods also has to know. Okay, for example, that is correlation, recursion. Okay, so mean, median, mode has to know. Okay, that is the important thing in the management tools. Separate discipline. The separate discipline is some companies provided proper training or proper guiding to the employees. Okay, how to handle in particular functional areas. The functional areas is called thus marketing management, marketing areas, and sales areas, and management information system, financial management, financial areas, human resource areas, separate discipline, marketing area, they have to constitute in functional areas, marketing areas, sales areas, management system, financial areas, human resource areas. How marketing areas, he has to lot of knowledge in marketing field, okay. Then getting raw materials and getting customers, getting attract the customers, getting some important advertisement agencies, okay. So how to reach the customer, okay, how to promote the product, then only they have to reach the targeting areas, sales areas, how to sales through the proper channel, management system, take then maintaining lot of records, lot of customer records, lot of company records, okay, that is maintained in management business system. Financial areas, the financial area, the manager has to know about all the financial areas, okay. For example, he has to know the maintain proper trading account, proper balance sheet, proper profit and loss account, and he has to know all the assets, how to maintain the assets, okay. So assets means is divided into one is current asset and fixed asset. Current asset means how to handle the debtors, okay, maintaining cash in hand, cash in bank in the particular companies, and how to maintain the closing stock, okay. Then he has already know about cash flow and fund flow. Fund flow in companies and cash flow in companies in certain field, okay. So human resource area. Human resource area means then recruiting, staffing, and give the proper guidelines, proper moral support to the particular employee. That is a very important thing in the separate discipline. Okay, next I'm going to specialization. What is specialization? I already told. Special expert field in particular areas. Okay, he has to know about financial, marketing, sales. Okay, specialization, specialized in particular field. Attracting the customer, very important thing. Then code of conduct. The code of conduct is very important thing in concept of management. Every company is having social responsibility that will reflect our customers. Okay, so customer orientation is very important in all the areas. Nowadays, seller beware in the place of customer beware. Okay, so customer is very important in all the companies. Then only they have to gain lot of profit. Professional association, it means he has to give lot of ideas or lot of promote the product and give proper guidelines to the particular companies and invest lot of investment into the particular areas, how to handle or how to manage the situation. Okay, give proper guidance from this professional association. The levels of management. So this is the levels. So 3 level. One is top management, middle management, low level management. Okay, the low level management give proper support to top level management. That particular company get lot of outputs. Okay, lot of outputs. So middle level management only support the or cordial relationship between top and lower. Okay, top and lower. That's very important thing. So this company is having lot of capability, lot of knowledge in particular area. Okay, so next these are the figures of levels of management and also management versus administration. Okay, these are administration and management. So both are very important. Management is proper support to the administration and the administration give proper support to the management. Then only they have to attain the profit. Okay, these are the areas of management. Board of directors, management, managing director, manager, supervisor. Board of directors is the top level management. Okay, managing directors he have the proper support to the manager. Manager means having lot of areas. Or financial manager or production manager or marketing manager or sales manager. Okay, these are the areas in managers. Okay, supervisor, the supervisor, low level supervisor, middle level supervisor. Okay, the supervisor only give proper support to the manager. Manager give proper support to the managing directors. Managing directors have proper input to the proper feedback to the supervisor. Okay, so this is a cordial relationship between the both level. Okay, so this is a very important thing in the levels of management. So here about levels of management, administration is management. So the both are very important. Both are very important. I give the proper guidelines to the lower level people, and the middle level management give proper cordial relationship between top and lower level. So give proper support. Okay, lower level means that is a labors. The labors give proper support to the top level. Okay, middle level management give proper guidelines to the low level category. Okay, so middle level means middle level managers or middle level supervisors. Okay, give proper training or give proper seminars. Okay, so this is the levels of management. Okay, board of directors also give proper support to the labors, and then only they have proper management. Next, management process. Management is a coordination, management is a process, management is a purposive process, management is a social process, management is a cyclical process. Okay, management is a cyclical process. Okay, management is coordination. The coordination is very important. Every department, or marketing department, or sales department, or financial department, every department will have some proper coordination. Then only they are attaining the profit or goal. Okay, coordination. For here also, one simple example. For example, classroom. Every people coordinate with the teacher, or every students are coordinate with the professors or teachers. Okay, so then only they have lot of knowledge from the teachers. Okay, the teachers want to give proper support to the students, and students will proper support to that professors. Okay, so in companies, one labor not cooperate with the organization, they will reflect in lot of problem. The lot of problem in the sense of then lockdown. Okay, some of the lockdown, some of the laborers are protest in particular problem. Okay, about they are rising, they want to rise salary, they want to rise the wages. Okay, they want to give proper benefit from the companies. Okay, so proper coordination in management. The particular management take more effort, or particular management take lot of inputs from this company. That is called management is a coordination. Coordination is very important in every company, in your home, in your school, in your companies, or in your whatever area, whatever the social medias. Okay, in your whatever areas, coordination is very important. Management is a process. I already told, management is planning. How to set some plan, and planning, directing, then staffing, then controlling. Okay, then this is the way of management is a process. Okay, so how to plan, how to proceed, how to coordinate. Okay, how to implement the particular decisions. Okay, the management has takes particular decisions, but the supervisor only follow these decisions. Okay, that is very important thing in the process. Okay, so next one, management is a purposive process. Some purpose. What is the purpose? The particular financial manager wants to reduce the expenses. Okay, in particular area. Okay, so the financial expenses, a lot of financial expenses made in particular company. So financial manager has to take some decisions. Okay, this will reflect in management. So management is happy, and man will provide proper wages or proper salary to the people. One company will reduce the expenses. The particular company will provide proper salary and proper wages to the employee and laborers. Okay. So this is a purposive, some of the purpose. What is the purpose? Attain the goal, attract the customer, customer oriented product. Customer is very important. Customer is the boss. Okay. So this is the purposive process. Management is a social process, some social responsibility. So every management has a social responsibility, some godly relationship between the customer and people, then outside the owners, outside the investors, then only they have some proper social relationship between customer. That is customer oriented. They have to produce customer oriented product, not others. Okay. So customer beware is very, very important in management social process. Management is a cyclical. What do you mean cyclical? Okay. They have to take some plan and execute the plan, and last they will get some output. That is a cyclical process. Last one is this is a management cyclical process. The cyclical process is nothing but they have say lot of areas. They include some lot of functional areas like financial, then marketing, sales. Okay. So these are areas, these are functional areas will helpful to the management. So they have attained the goal. Okay. Listening my video. Wish you all the best.